Okay.
I love you, Deanna. Miss you so much, and I love you. And I want to sing a song for you.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
You're my honey.
Oh, wait, she's already heard that song, honey. Sing a different one.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up, up, up the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Do you want to tell Dia about your dentist appointment? What happened at the dentist?
I took pictures of my teeth, and I got my teeth brushed, and then the dentist, he measured me, and then they put stuff on the sticky stuff on my teeth.
The teeth vitamins? And guess what they said? Do you remember? They said you have no cavities. And you have really great teeth, huh?
And I don't have any cavities or anything. And then my teeth are really great.
Are those your new pajamas?
Huh?
Want to show Dia your new pajamas?
Yeah.
Back up. So cute.
And Dia, I'm so missing you, and I love you. And done. So I love you. Alright, let's see my video. Want to see my
Hold on, honey.
Wait a minute.
You want to see?
Let's see. Let's see, Bubba. Violet.